What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello, I'm sincerely Niko. In today's video, we're going to be trying out a new brand that launched in Sephora. And this brand started off with the Go Off collection. Now it's all about the Visionary collection. And if you know what I'm talking about, you already know this iconic person who launched their own beauty brand within Sephora, and that is no other than One Size and Patrick Star. Patrick Star.
Hey, SpongeBob.
Hey, Patrick.
No, not that Patrick. This Patrick.
Makeup is a one-size-fits-all. Another beauty brand? You damn right.
My apologies, Miss Girl.
Miss who?
Patrick. Y'all, you know who I'm talking about. Patrick. So he came out with a brand called One Size, and I guess I got a package from One Size Beauty. So we're going to be trying out the Visionary collection. And if you guys want to know how it works on deeper complexion, then definitely keep on watching this video. But before we do so, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Be a part of the EXO squad. We get lit on this side. Let's get on into it.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
So we're opening it up. On the flap, it says makeup is a one-size-fit-all, which is a one-size-fit-all. I'm a strong believer of this mantra by Patrick. It is a one-size-fit-all. Makeup doesn't belong to one specific gender. Makeup doesn't belong to one specific race. Makeup doesn't belong to one specific tax, income, social-economic income. Makeup belongs to everyone, and I'm a strong believer that makeup is a one-size-fit-all. Me being a black male here on YouTube and also on social media, putting on makeup to show my fellow boys in beauty, particularly black boys in beauty, that you can be beautiful as well too. Makeup is a one-size-fit-all, and I definitely strongly believe in this brand mantra. I strongly believe in this brand's mantra, and I believe in Patrick's mantra, one size fits all as well too. So we're gonna get into it. So this is the flyer, pamphlet, brochure, poster, Judge Toller.
You know what? It's given very much of how you doing your honor, Miss Judge Lance Toller.
So this is the poster inside of the PR box that I did receive. And Patrick, baby, is beautiful. Mug stamps, turban on fleek, nails on point, lip liner and lip gloss on popping, brows on fleek, 100. I wonder if he's gonna bring out bra products. I feel like Patrick's gonna bring out bra products. I feel it. One Size Beauty's gonna bring out bra products. That's probably gonna be the next thing. I feel it. On the other side of it is the breakdown of what products are in here and the price points of the products. I'm not gonna read this because you guys probably already know what's coming out, but these are the price points and what's inside of this PR. And this is what's in the PR, baby. And this is what's in the PR, baby. Isn't she gorgeous? Ooh, wee, honey. Ooh, wee. I am living. So the first thing I want to show you that is not for sale, but I hope one day it do become for sale so you guys can pick up one, is the One Size mirror. This is really beautiful. It is thin, honey. She is thin. She's acrylic at that too. She's very much acrylic, and I think this is really much different from your other PR brands mirrors, which are usually plastic. This feels like it costs some money. This is acrylic, and baby, Patrick didn't spare any change on this. I'm excited to use this. I'm excited to use this in my little video. Then we have 5 eye poppers. 5 dope eye poppers to be trying out on the eyes. I think I'm going to do a look using probably 1 or 2. Oh, I can't get in this thing. This thing is really, it's really in here. We have 3 liners. We have your liquid liner. We also have a brown eyeliner and a black eyeliner. Traditional staples to have in a collection. Busty brown and Bodacious black. Then we have Bodacious black liquid liner. Oh, they really made sure she was stuck in here. I'm just gonna have to use the PR package for my whole entire look, so baby, these stuff don't want to come out. And then of course the iconic Visionary palette from One Size. It made it here in one piece. I'm so excited. I'm so eager to use this palette and to do a look. So enough talking about what's inside the PR package. Let's go ahead and get into creating a look for you guys. So I'm gonna start off with the shade Suede Charm. And I'm literally gonna just pop that into the crease, give it a little windshield wipe motion. And I'm just gonna give that just a light sweep. Just to define the crease, nothing too crazy. I feel like this is like my perfect transition shade. That just literally give a nice wash, nothing too crazy. Going into with the shade Booked, it's a little bit more deeper than Suede Charm. Take that just a little bit low. And just kind of blend that on to the lid in the crease. This is just a little bit more deeper than Suede Charm, just a little bit more deeper. So the eyes have a really pretty decent definition, just with the 2 browns that are warm tone in this palette. I'm gonna go into Brownie, which is the darkest brown in the palette. We're gonna see how dark this actually gets on my complexion. Take it right here. That's really dark. It's really pigmented. I could definitely see it. I'm gonna blend that right here on the outer. And take it just a little bit in the inner. I don't see any patchiness or any skips from the shadows laying on top of each other. So this is pretty much a good matte situation. Keep in mind I have concealer as a base. I don't have any brightening products underneath, so if I was to use like an ABH eyeshadow primer, I probably would get more of a brighter situation. But for this look, I'm doing more of like an everyday eye for you guys, just to see how the browns play. It's pretty good. Pretty good. So I'm gonna take the eyeshopper in the shade Everything and More, which is like a pink rosy tone eyeshadow, clear popper thingamajig, and I'm gonna cut my crease like how he cut his crease in a demo. I'm literally just gonna set it on and show. That's very wet. And I'm gonna take some of that brownie shade again. And I'm just gonna kind of feather it inwards just a little bit. And I'm gonna take a little bit of Turban Legend, which is that black. And I'm gonna work that into the crease. Taking a Bodacious black point made liner. I am literally going to just wing it out. And take some of that brownie shade again and just kind of feather inwards on top of the Bodacious black. And some Urban Legend on top of that for a more softer brownish black in this area. Alright guys, so this is the completed look of look 1. There are 2 more looks in this video, so stay tuned, grab your snacks, and let's go ahead and get ready and look number 2. Let's get it started. Alright, so this part is going to be a voiceover just so we can kind of speed through the second and third look. In this look, I used the shade Book, Brownie, and Matcha on the lid just to create a olivey, smoky eye. Once I got the eye to where I wanted, I took the eye popper in Continental, which is a cute little drag theme for Miss Continental USA. And I popped that on my lid. I used the applicator first, but then I took a actual paintbrush and just, you know, smeared it out to where I wanted to get more vibrant. So what's done on top is done on the bottom, of course, using the same shades. Adding more of the Continental eye popper, and then I'm going to take the Point Made eyeliner in the shade Busty Brown, line my lashes, pop on some lashes and some mascara, and boom, there is the second look. Very olivey and money. Alright, so let's go into the third look. So I started with the shade Suede Charm, which is a good transition crease color for me, personally. Then I'm taking a little bit of Book and Mango mixed together and popping that into the crease as well too. After that, I'm taking a shade Brownie, blending that into the crease just for more depth and saturation. And then last but not least, I'm going to take the shade Turban Legend and I'm going to start forming and creating the shape that I want. So this look is very much similar to the first one, but it's a little bit more avant-garde, angular, if you want to say. Taking some concealer, cutting my crease, making sure it's high enough. Then I'm going to take the shade Manila Sand, which is that white shade in the palette, popping that in the inner corner of my eye. And then taking the shade Mango and popping that on the outer portion of my eye, blending it together, making sure it all blends and melts. Going back into Turban Legend, and then I'm going to start making this V shape of my eye more pronounced. Blending that out with a little bit of Booked. Going to add on the Point Made liquid liner in the Busty Black shade. And boom, there we have it. This is the matte version, and then we add... So I decided I was going to add a little bit of shimmer, one of the eye poppers in the shade Pea House, which I'm assuming is Patrick House, maybe the Parliament House. I'm just popping that on top of everything, and then just finger blending any areas where I needed to. But this is the shade P House. I think it stands for Patrick House, but the Orlando girl in me is thinking of Parliament House. Because it's the gag. And this is pretty much the finished look. Using the liquid liner, the pencil liner, eyeshadow palette, and an eye popper. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this pretty much completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys comment down below which look is your favorite, look 1, look 2, or look 3. All of them are completely different. But this palette has range. Honestly, this palette has some really good, decent range. If you guys have not picked it up just yet, make sure you guys head over to your local Sephora or check out onesizebeauty.com to pick up this palette. I think it's really worth getting for $42. You can't beat that. So I'm about to hop off of here and I'm about to use my Go Off collection to cleanse this face and get some of this stuff off so I can go off to the next look. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.
I like it. I can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city.